Yo, what is up guys? My name is TylaDubya and today I'm here to teach you the Outward K Snare.
Now I'm here.
TylaDubya Beatbox channel.
Now before I get started, I do want to take a quick second to apologize to all of you for not uploading as frequently as I normally do on this channel. I promise though that is going to change. I have a lot of content lined up here for the upcoming future, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload some of this beautiful new content. And because I'm getting back into the swing of things, we're going to be taking it easy today, and I'm going to be teaching you guys one of the core fundamental sounds to beatboxing. And that sound, my dear friends, is the Outward K Snare. Like you guys know the classic boots and cats, well, it's the cats. And without all the vocalization and the cats portion of it, the Outward K Snare alone sounds like... Well, at least that's what mine sounds like. I really don't use it all that often. My primary K Snare is the Inward K Snare, and if you guys would like to learn that, I will have a link in the description below to my tutorial for it. One last thing before I actually get into teaching it, I want all of you beautiful people, you dubscribers, to comment down below with who do you believe has the best Outward K Snare. Like, which beatboxer do you like, that's a beautiful Outward K Snare? Put it down below. I want to hear. I want to know. I don't know. Now, before I actually jump into breaking down the steps to learn the sound, I'm going to go ahead and give a nice basic and classic explanation to learning it. So as I already kind of touched on, this is the cats portion of boots and cats. So you want to take any word that has a nice overemphasized C or K, like cookie, kangaroo, koala. Koala wasn't that good, was it? Not a good example. It's currently midnight when I'm filming this. Now the main focus when saying these words is going to be to put a strong emphasis on the punctual C and K of the word and just giving it a lot of, pressure and strength behind it. So instead of just saying cats or cookie, you're gonna notice where your tongue puts a lot of pressure on the roof of your mouth and then overemphasize the hell out of it and put a lot of pressure behind it. So instead of just cats, it's cats, and instead of cookie, it's cookie. Duh. Cookies. Who doesn't like cookies? Comment your favorite flavor cookie down below. Mine's white chocolate macadamia nut cookie. Cookie. And then the final portion of that is going to be taking out the vocalization. So instead of cats behind it, you're just gonna go cats. Cats. Get the stuff.
Get the stuff.
You got it? Get the stuff? Hey, the same here, guys. Now, if you don't quite have it after that explanation, don't worry, it's okay. Your boy's gonna break it down into 3 easy, beautiful steps for y'all to learn. I think it'd be a true statement if y'all said I had a little bit too much energy for this video at midnight filming. Now, the first step to learning the Outward K Snare is gonna be having the proper tongue positioning. Now, the sound is gonna be created by building and releasing pressure between the tongue and the roof of your mouth. And the portion of the tongue that you guys need to focus on is... So you're going to be taking that back portion of your tongue and putting it to the roof of your mouth. Now, if you need help finding this positioning, go ahead and say any word with the letter K or C, and you'll see where your tongue makes contact with the roof of your mouth. One more interjection before I keep teaching. If y'all are entertained right now and you are enjoying this video, I highly recommend subscribing to this channel because I'm going to be doing this often. And hit that like button if you are in particular enjoying this video because that is just the right thing to do in life. Interjection over. We're just moving on to step 2. No big deal. You guys got it. And that step is going to be building pressure between that portion on your tongue and the roof of your mouth. So basically everything leading up right before saying the overemphasized K or C. So yeah, I swear that makes more sense when you feel it, because the third step is what happens when you make the sound. I just might be losing my mind though. Cookie, cats, koala.
Oh god.
Follow me on Instagram if you don't already, because that's the hot stuff, man. And that third step is, just as you probably guessed, it's going to be releasing that pressure. And along with that pressure, you might want to push out a little air as well, either from your diaphragm or just from stuff that you already have all up in this jazz. Push out a little air so that air can travel between your tongue and the roof of your mouth and create that K Snare sound. I swear, some of the stuff I say sometimes is very weird, and I promise you, I understand that. But it'll help you learn the sound. So as a little recap, step 1 is going to be getting the proper tongue positioning. Step 2 is going to be building that pressure. And step 3 is going to be releasing that pressure with a little bit of air as well if you want. And once you do all that, you will end up with a K Snare that sounds like, or something a little stronger, I don't know. Like I said, mine's not perfected in and of itself, but you guys will get there. Just walk around all day and go... That wasn't a K Snare. So that's it. You guys now have all the steps you need to learn the Outward K Snare. If you don't have it yet, just go walk back through those steps, keep watching the video, but once you guys got it, just go ahead and move on to some practice beats so you guys can perfect that sound. Stay hydrated, my friends. So these practice beats are gonna be for you guys to perfect this sound, just to do a couple little basic things to get you going if you typically don't use this sound in a lot of beats. So just take it as it is. We're gonna go through a couple different tempos, couple different beats. Just enjoy your time and, you know, practice the sound. First step is to get a metronome. Go ahead, download any one that you want, any off the App Store, purchase one, do whatever your little heart desires, but go ahead and get yourself a metronome. If not, you can just follow along to the beat of this click track. Now this first beat we're gonna do is at 120 BPM. Go ahead and set your metronomes now, dubscribers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I know, that was a little bit easy. That was literally the boots and cats. But you know, we're gonna go ahead and crank it up to 140 BPM to test your skills a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I know, you guys are kicking butt. But we're gonna do one more at 140 BPM and get ready. This one's actually easier than the last one, so don't get scared. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that basically wraps it up for all the practice beats, guys, and the teaching of the Outward K Snare. I hope you guys have it by now. If you don't get upset, don't get frustrated, just go back through the steps, learn the sound, then go through the 3 practice beats I provided. They're there just to give you an idea, you know, something to begin freestyling with. Go off and freestyle with the sound, work it into your normal routines, and I promise you guys will get it. Overall, I hope you guys both learned something from this video and just enjoyed yourself watching this and just spending some time with your boy TylaDubya. You know, I just try to put out some content to entertain you guys, help you guys out, and you know, just help you along in your beatboxing career. Or if you're not a beatboxer, just enjoying life, because you know, that's what I'm here for. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below, because that just helps your boy out and, you know, just makes my day. It fills my heart with joy when I see you click that like button, you know? Bless. And along with hitting that like button, go ahead and share this video with somebody who wants to learn the Outward K Snare, or someone who just doesn't know what TylaDubya is as a brand, as a person, or this channel. Introduce them to me. I want to meet everybody and help all y'all beautiful people out, you know what I mean? And if you're not subscribed yet, I feel like you're just making a mistake there, and you should hit that subscribe button down below as well as that notification bell so you're always notified of all the content that I put out there, because I try to put out content often and I'm going to be doing more so here in the future. So do that. Subscribe, notify, like, share, be sure to comment down below. And in that comment, put what beatboxer you believe has the best K Snare. I want to know who you guys believe has the strongest, cleanest, best K Snare, or who just uses it the best / most, you know what I mean? Lastly, I just want to thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to spend it with me, watching this video, either learning or just being entertained overall. So I just want to take a moment to say thank you. So yeah, that basically wraps everything up. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I severed the strings from the puppet to cut them down.
Now I'm here.